Hello, we're going to talk to you a little bit about our measuring system here in the metal shop. So the first thing that you're going to need is a tape measure. You're also going to need something to make your mark. A Sharpie is a great one, and a square. This is going to be how we can create 90-degree angles on something. We then locate the material that we want to measure. You should have an ideal measurement already set in your mind or based off of your instructions. So with our tape measure, we want to extend that off of the edge of our piece. We are then going to find our mark. For this one, I'm looking at 4 inches. So I'm doing this towards you guys. I'm gonna open up my marker, and I do wanna make sure that there's tension from the edge of our ruler pulling against my material. What that does is it makes sure that it's a proper measurement on each time. The next thing that I'm gonna do is find my 4-inch measurement for this specific measurement, and I'm gonna create an alligator mouth. That is going to point at where I need to actually make my cut. If I did a straight line, my line isn't perfectly horizontal. It's gonna be off deflected one way or another. And then 5 minutes goes by and I actually go to make my cut, and I don't know if it was the right-hand side or left-hand side. So this alligator mouth points to exactly where I want to make my mark. Next, I'm gonna use the extended edge off the side of my material. I'm gonna line it up thinking about the thickness of my marker, and then I'm going to create a scribe line across this thing. That line is now going to be what I'm going to try and cut. You always want to remember what side am I keeping and what side is the waste material. And when you make the cut, you should accommodate the thickness of whatever you are cutting into that system. So you might err on being on this side if you're using our cold saw or band saw respectively.